way to Minnesota. Vlogging and driving is different, especially at 70 miles an hour. Probably shouldn't do it, but got my welder in the back, got a cover on it, all my junk in here. I got about 5 hours to go to my destination. Stay overnight in the motel and then get up early and be in their shop at about 7 a.m. So just try to turn this thing on every now and again and see what I can come up with for a vidya. As longer wait and say a vidya. Yeah, headed that way. Turns out their welder is in a different state. Maybe I said that yesterday. I'm just kind of going to fill in and help them out. Hey, it's work. It's good work. So it's my it's my first real pit stop of the trip. I'm in Bloomer. Yeah, I got my bloomers on, but no, I'm in Bloomer and Quick Trip hard-boiled eggs. Just had to stop, stretch my legs, and a couple hours to go, maybe 3, and that's it. I just figured I'd tell you where I'm at. That'd be what you call Lake Superior, Duluth, Minnesota. Just merging onto Highway 2 here.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-535 North.
Okay. My phone says I gotta merge. It gets a little tricky getting on the other side once you get into Duluth. This is the John A. Blatnick Bridge. Pretty high up there.
Continue on I-535 North for 2 miles.
Gotta give her a katoosh. Way up there. Dredge birds. But there's Duluth, Minnesota. Welcome to Minnesota. There's a boat down there. The Wagenborg. Foreign trade zone. I wonder if there's where imports come in. Tricky stuff here.
Take the I-35 South exit on the left.
Okay.
Continue on I-35 South for 5 miles.
Okay. She must know what's going on. We gotta hook up on Highway 2. I pretty much know where we're going, but it's easier to listen to her while I'm playing with the camera. Look at that iron ore everywhere. iron ore. Look at all the dumper boxes. You can tell it's iron ore because everything is rusty. Yep. Hope you all enjoy this. I don't know. I'm just trying to stay busy while I'm driving here.
For US 2 West Fort Proctor, Grand Rapids.
Now you know where we're going. Grand Rapids. Well, we're nuts deep into Minnesota now. There's no turning back. Now what you call it says I got an hour to go. Hour and 20 minutes to meet my destination of Grand Rapids, Minnesota. So I'll see you there. I'll put this thing away now. It's back to trees and blacktop. Troy, I didn't know you had a shop in Duluth. It says Troy's. Look at there. Pretty nice room for a night stay. Big old bed, TV, snack bar. Of course I put snacks there. Fridge, microwave. Pretty nice room. Even for Grand Rapids standards, not too bad. So just got here, checked in. I don't know what's at 7:41. So 4 o'clock. I'll come early tomorrow morning. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you the inside of my room. I bought some. Wait, I gotta show you this because this just isn't an everyday occurrence. This is rare. Got a refrigerator, and I was at a Quick Trip over in Superior, and I saw this. Braunschweiger liver sausage and rye bread. It's a classic. I hated it as a kid. My mom always used to make it or have it. I couldn't resist. Now I have a snack in the room, and I can make a sandwich for tomorrow for lunch. Mostly because I'm cheap. Actually not. I just want to work. When I work at the job, I want to keep working. Grab a snack, grab a sandwich, just like you're at home on the job. Keep working. I got some shaved ham in there too. Loaf of bread. What's a guy need during the day? You know? So, alright, time to get scrub the old you-know-whats and settle in. Get up early. To be continued. Morning. Headed in a different direction today. Time to go do a little sightseeing and messing around. Got done with my job. Truck's full of my crap, welder stuff, you know. And yeah, now I'm gonna go goof off a little bit. Take some roads that I haven't been on. See where it takes me. So I hope you join me. It's an iron range of northern Minnesota. Iron ore, iron ore. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I've been through here a couple of years ago. I just remember there's huge piles and piles everywhere of leftovers. We'll call them leftovers. Missed it. I missed it. Just went past another one. past that water tower, that's all tailing piles. That's from the ground dug up years and years and years ago. To do a lot of editing on this third video. Going through all the old mining towns. Right there. There you get a perfect shot. That's what they call tailings. It wasn't good enough for iron ore, or they extracted the ore out of it. And they just pile it up. That hill is man-made. I can't imagine is she goes through this area. It's about 80 miles long, and when you see these mines that were open pits years ago or whatever, the amount of earth that was moved to get the taconite out of it. I think that's what they call it, taconite. The iron ore to make our infrastructure, whether it was back in World War II, whatever. I mean, it's just mind boggles. The mind boggles. And yeah, it's crazy. So it's another pipeline. You guys working on it. I didn't see any leaks. I'm in Hibbing, Minnesota. I think what they call this is the Mesabi Iron Range, or the Mesaba Iron Range. And there's something neat coming up here on the left that I got to show you. All planted in rows of pine. You see how they reconstruct the ground, or maybe it's natural. I don't know. Some of it at the base looks like it's planted in rows. Giant miner. That's cool. Big hole in the ground, used to be a mine. You got to remember, when I say mine, I mean mostly open pit up here. It's all open pit mine. There's some up in Tower, I think, or Sudan. The Sudan mine in Tower that I'd like to go into someday. This is one of the deepest iron ore mines, underground mines. See if I can ever do that. If I remember right, I think the place coming up on the left is a dealership or a place that works on that big mining equipment. I think. I don't remember. Yeah, it's a cat dealer. You see how tall the building is, though? That's because there's a crane in there that lifts that big stuff. Big mining trucks. Yep, there's some mining boxes sitting there. The truck without its box on it, I don't know if you can see it. Big ass equipment. Good old pulp truck. See how many stakes they are and how close together they are? That's all for pulp. I don't think they have logs up here. Saw logs, that is. It's mostly all pulp. Well, don't tell anybody. I snuck away. I'm not going to tell you what day it is, but I snuck away. And I'm in Ely, Minnesota. I am sitting at what they call Glacier Pond 1, not 2. I'm just going to sit down here. I'm going to go down by the water and just chill out. Just relax. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay? Okay. That is it. Just chill out for the time being. Maybe I'll get... No, I won't. Okay. So I'm headed home. Wow, what a difference. Typical Ely, Minnesota weather. 50 degrees this morning. From 85 yesterday. I'm going to take the windy road, Highway 1. For those of you who know it, it's a windy son of a gun, but it's right through the heart of the woods, the forest. And then it comes all along Lake Superior shoreline, so you'll get to see some of that, hopefully. There was a fire here a couple years ago, you can see the remnants of. I think of wildfires up here too. Forest Service land never gets cut, never gets touched. So there's all kinds of, what do you want to call it, understory, just garbage to burn. So a lot of them are lightning strikes up here. Some years worse than others. So okay. Still, I wish I had a little bit clearer view. Maybe coming up. Lake Superior. I'm on Highway 61 between two harbors in Duluth. That's about it.